Hello na po mga palanggang estudyante sa grade 10. Niana po ta sa atong video diin atong i-discuss unsaon pag-divide ang polynomials using two methods. We have the long method and synthetic method. Sa akong previous video, akong gina-explain what are polynomials, when can we say a certain expression if it is a polynomial or not, what are terms and the degree of polynomials. Kaya ayaw mo kalimot like and subscribe kung wala pa. Okay, let's start. Example of division of polynomial. We have here x squared minus 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 1. Okay, pero meron na tong timan-an nga kinahanglan ang atong dividend sa atong expression naka-arrange siya in decreasing order. Unsa ibot pasabot ani nga kaning decreasing order gikan sa variable nga naitaas nga power down to sa inyong constant. So ang pinakataas nga power sa atong expression is x squared followed by x and the constant. So naka-arrange na ni siya daan. Let's do the long method first. Copy x squared minus 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 1. Okay, paunsa na ito ni buhaton. Atong i-focus og lantaw kanilang first term, both first term sa atong dividend o first term sa atong divisor. X squared divided by x, the answer of that is x. Oh, basin nalibog mo anong nahimo na siyang x. So x squared, atong lantawon ang roll divided by x, that is equal to x. 2 minus 1 is equal to x raised to the power of 1 or x. Okay, kanina po ato ning i-multiply. X times x is x squared. X times negative 1 is negative 1x or x lang na siya. Then proceed to susunod ning buhaton mag-subtract ta. Okay, and subtracting integers, we are going to change the sign of the subtrahend. So in our case, kani atong subtrahend, kani si x squared positive man siya, ato ni siyang i-change into negative or negative times the sign of our x squared, which is positive, mahimo siyang negative. Negative times negative, mahimo po na siya dring positive. And proceed to addition. Rules sa addition. So naanata. X squared plus negative x squared, that is 0. Negative 3x plus positive x. So kopya mo na to ang x. Negative man ni siya, positive ni siya. So ato siyang i-subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. Dako man ang sign sa 3, atong kopyahan ang sign sa 3. Bring down 2. So kanina pod atong i-consider. Next term na to, kanina pod o kani siya. Negative 2x divided by x, that is equal to kani siya, wala na. Ang nabilin, negative 2 na lang. So atong answer is negative 2. Ato nang ibutang atong negative 2 dari. Kanina pod atong i-multiply sa atong divisor. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Then, negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2. Then, subtract again. Subtract na to, ato na po nang i-change into positive, kanina mahinabong negative. And proceed to the rule of addition. So, we have negative 2x plus positive 2x is 0. Positive 2 plus negative 2 is 0. So therefore, ang atong when x squared minus 3x plus 2 divided by x minus 1, the answer is x minus 2. Kani gyapon nga case, ato ni siyang gamiton. Muna ang long method of division, kani ang long method. Sulayan nato into synthetic division. So first things first, you are going to copy the coefficients of our dividend. So kaning x squared na siya coefficient of 1. Itong sulat diri si 1. Next, si x na po coefficient of negative 3. And then we have here the constant which is 2. Okay. Then get the zeros of your divisor. So kaniman atong divisor, kuhaan natong zeros. Unsa na zeros of divisor? Just simply equate. Ang bot pasabot ana, imo lang equate ang atong divisor into 0. So we have x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to 0 plus 1. Then x is equal to 1. So the zeros of x minus 1 is 1. So asa man nato ibutang si 1, dire dato sa kilid mo na to siyang multiplier. So we have here 1. Okay, steps now. Bring down this 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Add negative 3 plus 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Add, that is 0. Kani ato ra ning parisan og mga variable. Since ang atong highest power diri kay 2, ang first natong variable ipares ani niya is 1. So may mo na siyang x and here 2. So our quotient using the synthetic division still x minus 2. Let's have now our second example. We have 2x plus x cubed plus 7x squared minus 40 divided by x minus 2. Okay, as you can see, our polynomial, our dividend is wala siya na-arrange in decreasing order. So, ato na siyang i-arrange. So, mag-una si x cubed followed by 7x squared followed by positive 2x and our constant which is 40 divided by x minus 2. Simply divide this first term to the divisor. X cubed divided by x, ang answer ana niya is x squared. Or imuhara ni siyang minusan ni si 3 og power ani ni x which is 1 mo nang atong answer is x squared. Then we're going to multiply our answer sa atong divisor. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. Then subtract, change this. This is positive becomes negative. Negative becomes positive. Proceed to addition. X cubed plus negative x cubed, that is 0. Okay, copy x squared. Then, since like sign naman si 7 and si 2, ato na siyang i-add. 7 plus 2 is 9. Their sign is positive. Class, be careful with the sign. So we have bring down 2x. Kanina po, 9x squared, atong i-divide sa x. So we have here 9x squared divided by x. So we have 9 divided 1, that is 9. X squared divided by x, that is x. So our answer is 9x. So atong ibutang dire si positive 9x. Okay? Then, positive 9x times x, that is 9x squared. Sunod mo, dayon, 9x squared times negative 2, that is negative 18x. Okay, proceed to subtraction. Then, change this into negative sign. Kani mahimo siyang positive. So, 9x squared and proceed to addition plus negative 9x squared, that is 0. We have here x, positive 2 plus positive 18, that is 20. Positive 20. Bring down 40. 20x now divided by x, that is equal to 20. That is positive 20. Wala na x. Kay 20, x divided by x. Wala na si x, kaya mahimo na siyang 1. Ang bilin kay 20 na lang. We have positive 20 times x, that is equal to 20x. Positive 20 times negative 2 is negative 40. Subtract now, change this into negative, change this into positive, and proceed to addition. Positive 20x plus negative 20x, that is 0. Negative 40 plus positive 40, that is also 0. So our quotient now is equal to x squared plus 9x plus 20. And our divisor is kanisya, x minus 2. Ako na siyang gisulat because there are activities in your module nga inyong i-identify asa ang dividend, unsa ang divisor, o unsa ang quotient. So, ang dividend na to, of course, kanisya, x cubed plus 7x squared plus 2x minus 40. Again, this is the dividend, kani atong divisor, and kani ato ang quotient. Okay, let's try now in our synthetic division. Okay, unsaon gani ang synthetic division? You are going to list down all the coefficients. So, magbase ta sa atong na-arrange na polynomial sa atong dividend. Kay kani atong given primero, wala man na siya na-arrange, so dito magbase sa na-arrange na. The coefficient of your x cubed is 1. The coefficient of your x squared is positive 7. The coefficient of your 2x is positive 2. And your constant is negative 40. Then the zeros of your function, we have x minus 2 is equal to 0. X now is equal to 0 plus 2. Then, the zeros of the function of x minus 2 is positive 2. So, muna atong multiplier si positive 2. Okay, steps. Bring down 1. 1 multiplied by 2, that is, or 1 times 2, that is 2. Add, that is 9. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Add again, that is 20. 20 now times 2 is positive 40. Add, that is 0. The highest power of our dividend is x cubed. So, kay x cubed man ni siya, x cubed man atong highest power, kani si 1, diri mo na atong x squared, kanina atong parisa na siya og 9x. Plus 20 mo na nato ang constant. So, our answer for our quotient now is x squared plus 9x plus 20. So, pareha silang duha. Okay, there are cases nga you are free to use asa inyong gamiton to get the quotient of a certain polynomial. It's either synthetic method or long method. Pero, you need to master kaning duha, kay kaning duha ang applicable. Kay na ay uban nga polynomial Especially kung ang divisor niya maabot na siya og tagtulo na ka terms, lisod na ninyo gamiton ang synthetic method. So kailangan ma-master sad ninyo ang long method of division. Nakasunod na ba mo? Let's try to have another example. 5x cubed plus 3x minus 8 divided by x minus 1. First, you are going to arrange polynomial in decreasing order. So kailangan bago na si 5x cubed, unsay sunod ni cube before si x, dapat naapatay x squared. Kailangan naapatay x squared. So wala may value si x squared, so ato siyang parisan og 0. Ang target ani niya para kompleto ano ang polynomials. And sayon na day nato siya i-divide. Dayon followed by 3x minus 8. Okay, divide. We have here x minus 1. So, again, focus on this. That is 5x squared. Multiply 5x squared, that is 5x cubed. Then 5x squared times negative 1, that is minus 5x squared. Oh, as you can see na natay pares ato ang x squared. Di nata malibog asa na to siya itungod. Okay? Subtract now. Change this into negative. Change this into positive and proceed to addition. This is 0. Then we have here positive 5x squared. Kaya positive naman na siya. Bring down 3x. I-focus on this. And here, ang answer ano niya kay 5x squared divided by x. That is 5x. Multiply again. 5x times x is 5x squared. 5x times negative 1, that is negative 5x. Okay, subtract again. Change this into negative, change this into positive. This is 0. Okay, copy x. They are like signs now. Pareha na sila og sign. So, i-add na to diretso ang ilang value. 3 plus 5 is 8. Bring down 8. Okay, we have 8x divided by x. That is 8. 8 times x is 8x. 8 times negative 1 is negative 8. Subtract. Change this into negative, change this into positive. This is 0. Negative 8 plus positive 8. That is also 0. So therefore, our quotient is 5x squared plus 5x plus 8. By remainder kay 0, and 0 is our remainder. There is no 0 as a remainder. So kani atong dividend, and this will be our divisor. Okay, using the same polynomial, we will do our synthetic method of division. Okay, kani atong gamiton, kaya naka-arrange na. So we have the coefficient of x cubed which is 5. The coefficient of x squared is 0. The coefficient of your x, 3x is 3, and our constant which is 8. And then we have the zeros of x minus 1 is positive 1. Bring down 5. 5 times 1 is 5. Add 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 times 1 again, that is equal to 5. Add, that is 8. 8 times 1 is positive 8. Add again, that is 0. Ang atong highest power kay x cubed, so ang pares ni 5 is 5x squared plus 5x plus 8. Okay? We arrive at the same quotient. Let's try to have 6x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 1 divided by 3x minus 1. Okay, let's have the long method. 6x cubed minus 5x squared plus 4x minus 1 divide 3x minus 1. Let's have here 6 divided by 3 is 2. X cubed divided by x, that is x squared. Again, 6 divided by 3. Throw na ko, 6 divided by 3 is 2. X cubed divided by x is x squared. Multiply. Isa-isahan na to. 2 times 3 is 6. Para sa yun. X cubed times x is x. X squared times x is x cubed. And then, 2 times 2x squared times negative 1 is negative 2x squared. Subtract. Change this into negative. This become positive and proceed to the rule of addition. Okay, this is 0 now. Negative 5x squared plus positive 2x. Bring down x squared here. Then, as you can see, we have negative 5 and positive 2. So, subtract 5 and 2 is equal to 3. Dako man si 5. Ang sign ni 5 is negative. Wala itong ibutang dari. Bring down 4x. Negative 3 divided by 3 is negative 1. X squared divided by x is x. Pwede na to, butang ang 1x or x lang. X times 3x is negative x times 3x is negative 3x squared. Negative x times 1 is positive 1x or x. Subtract, change this into positive, change this into negative. This is 0. 4x plus negative 1 is positive 3x. Bring down 1. Okay, 3x divided by 3x, that is positive 1. 1 times 3x is 3x. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. So we have here subtract, becomes positive and proceed to addition. 3x plus negative 3x, that is 0. Negative 1 plus positive 1, that is 0. So our quotient now is 2x squared minus x plus 1. This is our dividend and this is our divisor. Let's have again our synthetic method. Copy the coefficient of our x as x cubed is 6, followed by the coefficient of our x squared, which is 5, followed by 4, and followed by negative 1. That's our constant. Then we are going to find the zeros of our divisor. So we have 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? 3x now is equal to 1. That is 0 plus 1. Transposing this negative to here, it becomes positive. Okay, divide both sides with 3 and here also 3. So we have now the zeros of 3x minus 1 is positive 1/3. Kana si 1/3, ato ang ibutang diri is 1 over 3. We have here, bring down 6. 6 now, multiplied to our numerator 1, that is 6. Divided by 3, 6 divided by 3, ang answer kay 2. Again, 6 times 1 is 6, divided by 3, that is 2. Add negative 5 plus 2, that is negative 3. Negative 3, again, times 1, that is negative 3, divided by positive 3, ang answer kay negative 1. Add again, 4 plus negative 1 is positive 3. Then, 3 again, multiplied by positive 1 here is 3, divided by 3, the answer is positive 1. Add, that is 0. Okay, this is not our final answer because we still have here our denominator, which is 3. So this means all of our answer here, ato po siyang i-divide sa 3. Okay, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Negative 3 divided by 3, that is negative 1. Positive 3 divided by 3, that is positive 1. So, our highest power here is cube. So, our answer now is equal to 2. This will be x squared. This will be your x or your 1x plus 1. So, that is our quotient equal to our quotient in our long method of division. Last example, kinahanglan mo sunod jud mo, may na lang praktisa na to ni siya maayo para ma-master ta. So we have here x to the power of 4 plus 8x to the power of 2 minus 5x cubed minus 2 plus 15x divided by x minus 3. You check, na-arrange ba ang ato ang dividend? Wala siya na-arrange. Kay si 4, sundan siya nito, followed by 3, and nanapoy constant. So atong i-arrange. We have x to the power of 4, gyapon mag-una, then followed by kani minus 5x cubed, followed by your x squared, 8x squared, and then this will be positive 15x minus, na-arrange natong dividend, divided by x minus 3. So again, we have here x to the power of 4 divided by x, that is x cubed. Minus na nato isa, muna ni answer. Erang in-multiply na to, pod equal po na siya diri sa to ang term. X cubed times x, that is x to the power of 4. X cubed minus 3, that is negative 3x cubed. Subtract, change, as positive, then add x to the power of 4 plus negative x to the power of 4, that is 0. Negative 5x cubed plus positive 3x squared, that is negative 2x cubed. So dako man si 5 kaysa 3, then unlike sign man sila, so ato gyud siyang i-subtract. Bring down 8x squared. So kanina po siya, negative 2x cubed divided by x. The answer of that is negative 2, then x plus minus 1 squared. Negative 2x squared multiplied by x is negative 2x cubed. Negative 2x squared times negative 3 is positive 6x squared. Then subtract, change this into positive, change this into negative. This is 0 now. Then x squared, 8 plus negative 6 is positive 2x squared. Now bring down 15x. Okay, again, this is 2x squared divided by x. 2x squared divided by x, that is 2x. 2x, i-multiply na to sa x. Ang answer kay 2x squared. Si 2x na po, i-multiply na to ni negative 3, that is negative 6x. Negative 6x. Subtract again. Okay, we have, taas na gyud siya. Muna siyang gingalanan siya og long method. Change this also becomes positive. And proceed to addition. 2x squared plus negative 2x squared is 0. Then, positive 15x plus positive 6x, that is positive 21x, bring down negative 2. Positive 21x divided by x, that is positive 21. 21 times x, that is positive 21x. And positive 21 times negative 3, that is negative 63. Subtract, change this into negative, change this into positive. 21x, proceed to addition, plus negative 21x, that is 0. Negative 2 plus positive 63, that is positive 61. Ano tayo remainder? Itong remainder ani kay 61. So our quotient is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x plus 21 plus 61 over x minus 3. Kani atong gitawag og remainder. Dili reminder ha. Remainder. Okay, sabtan. Let us check if we can arrive the same answer through synthetic method. You are going to get the coefficient of your x to the power of 4, which is 1. Okay, that is negative 5. Coefficient of x cubed. Coefficient of your x squared is 8, followed by 15 and negative. Here, our divisor is x minus 3, so the zeros of that is positive 3. Bring down again. 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Add. That is negative 2. Negative 2 times 3. That is 6. Negative 6. Add. That is positive 2. Multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Add. That is 21. 21 times 3. That is 63. Add. This is negative. This is positive. Subtract. Now we have 61. Okay? The highest power is x to the power of 4. So, kani siya ang ato ang x cubed followed by our x squared 2x squared plus 2x plus 21 plus 61 our remainder. So, na naman tayo constant. So, kani atong kinalasan mo na nato ang remainder. Over, what is our divisor? X minus 2. Okay? Simple ra, diba? That is our last example. Okay? You're going to make your own example out of this problem. Just give 3 example and you can send it to me in my account. I hope you learned from this video. Remember all the time, a problem has its own solution and do the right way. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. So long and God bless us all. Thank you.